Okay, this is the mast. There will be some solid section. So one is here at the foot of the mast. This will be cut here like about ½ inch. So it doesn't matter that it's not flush there. And here's the one cable for the VHF radio for the antenna, and this one will be for the deck light on the spreaders. So these two come in that point, go through this. This will be another solid part here where the gooseneck for the boom will be attached. So once this is clamped, it will be all one piece, and has this little ridge here, this screw for this. This is the piece that goes on top of here. See? This is where the boards were glued together. So it starts from here to here, which makes that 9 and about 3, so like this is 12 inches, 1 foot. From here, you can see from here, this line is where they're glued together, all the way to here. So yeah, the mast is hollow, but these 3 sections, actually 4, and this is for the spreaders. The hole for the spreaders will be right here in this cross. So inside of this there's 2 wires. One is this one for the lights. I'm just gonna put one on the starboard side because that's where the companionway is, and will be good enough. I don't wanna put too many holes and whatever, so I'll be good enough with only one. And the other one is, the other cable is the one for the VHF. So that one goes through, but if you notice, it's far in there. It's not, doesn't go in the middle, because there'll be, I don't want to drill through that when I drill a hole here. So it's hollow, and in this section here is another piece. I cannot bring this up now. I have to loose the clamps, and I only have one hand, so I have to hold the camera. So anyway, right here is another piece, in case I need to attach a wind generator or something, which I don't think I will, but just for some more support. It'll make it stronger. And the other hand also keeps the cable here straight to be in the middle. Here in the middle I've made a little groove in both sides at this section only, because it gets very, see, that and this, so the cable stays there. In order to bring the cable there I have to just pull it. So anyway, I'm not there. So the length of the mast, 296 inches and 3/4, the total length. And up till the spreaders, I wrote it down on this side here, I believe. No, I don't know, it's in this piece. To the spreaders, to that hole there, will be 164 inches and 3/4. The center of the gooseneck would be 53 inches. The original one is 51 and a quarter. So I'm raising that almost 2 inches. Will be good enough. I don't want to have the boom too low, but I don't want to raise it too high, like I said, for the center of of the sail area, because if I raise it high, then the center of the sail area will be up higher, and so that's the thing. This is another glued together. It starts here. You can see the difference in the color of the wood. Actually, this one has a little epoxy, that's why it's like this shiny. So it comes all the way to here. Again, it's from there to here, 9 inches. Add 3 more, so it's another foot here. So these are 1 inch thick. And it's the same thing with the rest of them. So this will be the new mast. This is where all the pieces will get together. That and this. Now, just for the hell of it, I'll put the aft side of the mast. So 1 second. Okay, so this is how it is. Once I put the clamps here, this will be flush, straight. Looks good. Well, it's just sitting on top. It's not right there where it should be, so it should go here. And this space here will raise this up, so it'll be all glued and filled with the epoxy and the filler. So like I say, it is really straight. I'm happy with this. So once this is all put together, well, before doing that, I'm gonna put some epoxy. I'll take these cables out, these wires, and I'll fill them. I'll put some epoxy in there, and then two coats of epoxy. That's why I left a little gap there. And then drill it again if they cannot go through. But like this will be sealed, so the water doesn't go in, and will be also filled with 4200. So that would be for that. For this hole here, the same way. That's why I drill them a little larger. And the other one that is for the antenna. Oh, this is the old one, all broken. Yeah. Here I can see the cable, the wire inside. It wasn't worth it. So I'm really happy with the new one. Good. This will all be sanded, because I had to sand this part here where I glued these two pieces. So that's why this have a different color now, because it was roughly sanded with a belt sander. Well, it was good. This is how it is. And this is what kind of wood this is. Man, it's crazy. It's very flexible and light. So that's about it. Later, bye.